So how many times it was printed? So 2 times it was printed. So it was printed 2 times. So here if we use the set concept, so see, only 1 time it is printed. So Bhuvana and EV. So even though I have given 2 times, so only 1 time it is printed. So this is the difference between the list and set concept. So what is the main difference between the list and set? So list will allow the duplicates. So set will not allow the duplicates. So that is the difference between the list and set. So list will allow the duplicates. Set will not allow the duplicates. So that is a major difference between the list and set. Okay. So next concept is map concept. So next concept is map concept. So map. So map is also having 3 types. So hash map, linked hash map, tree map. So map is also having 3 types. So hash map, so linked hash map, so tree map. So 3 types of maps we are using. So hash map, linked hash map and tree map. So what is the main difference between the list, set and map? So in list and set you are passing the syntax like this. So for example I am taking as set. So here I am passing only 1 argument. So if you are passing string, so we can take only string objects. If you take here instead of string integer, so we can pass only integer. But if you take the map concept, okay, if you take the map concept, so at a time we can pass the 2 arguments, so string comma integer, or we can pass so integer comma, or we can pass map, so string comma. So that is our choice. So according to our wish, so how much data you want to pass here, so you can pass it here. So if you want both arguments as a string, you can pass as a string. So if you want to pass both arguments, one integer, one string, we can pass. Or if you want to pass string integer, we can pass. Either float, double, both float, so double. So any combination we can take. But what is the advantage of using the map? So at a time we can pass the 2 elements. So first point in the map. So by using a map, so at a time, so we can pass 2 elements. So by using a map at a time we can pass the 2 elements. Okay. So second point, so in that 2 elements. So in that 2 elements, so first element is called key. First element is called the key. So second element is called value. So first element is called the key, second element is called the value. So in the first map, what is the key, what is the value? So string is a key, integer is a value. So string is a key, integer is a value. In second map, so integer will act as a key, string will act as a value. In this, first string is a key, second string is a value. So in the 2 elements, so first element is called a key, second element is called a value. So what is the third point? So key will not allow, so key will not allow duplicates. So key will not allow the duplicates. So value will allow the duplicates. Okay, so in this, so key will not allow the duplicates. So value will allow the duplicates. So whatever you are representing in a key, so key does not allow the duplicates, but value will allow the duplicates. Okay, so key does not allow the duplicates, so value will allow the duplicates. Okay, so then what is the difference between the hash map, linked hash map and tree map? So same like a set. So hash map will not follow the order of the elements. So linked hash map will follow the order of the elements. So tree map will follow the ascending order of the elements based on key. So wait, I will draw the table. So hash map, linked hash map, next tree. Okay, so hash map, so it will not maintain. So linked hash map, so it will maintain, so order of elements. So tree map, so it will follow so ascending order of elements. So based on key. So tree map will follow the ascending order. So based on key. Okay, so this is the differences between the hash map, linked hash map and tree map. So in which cases we want to go for the map means, so at a time you want to pass the, so at a time, so you want to pass. So two elements. So at a time you want to pass the two elements. So we can go for the map concept. So at a time if you want to pass the two elements, so we have to go for the map concept, hash map. So first I am taking string comma integer. So h n equals to name hash map. So now I am giving, so whenever you are coming to the map, so the method will change here. So hm dot put. So next hm dot hm dot put. So next I'm giving hm dot. So system dot so see, so hash map, it is not following any order of the elements. So now if I give linked hash map,